Hello, here's a quick video that explains the new measure points on plane that replaced the COGO vertical plane function. We're only going to talk about one portion of the plane command in this short video. Basically, you perform a station setup like you normally would, and then when you go to measure, you'll see a new command called measure points on plane. It wants you to define the plane points. If you pick 1 point, it's considered a horizontal plane. If you pick 2 points, it's a vertical plane. If you pick 3 points, it's a best fit tilted plane. There's a support note that describes all these functions. For this video, we're only going to talk about a 2-point vertical. Basically, you can add points that previously exist within your job, or you can measure them. So in the case of a sag survey, you would measure the connector points where the wires connect to the poles. So if I go to measure points on a plane, I'm going to add the 2 points. I'm going to select it from the list. And my 2 connector points are point A and B. I hit calculate, and of course it's going to fit because it's only 2 points. I'm going to hit continue, and now what you need to do is set a point name, give it a code, set the method to angles only, and make sure the target height is set to 0. So we could measure point A, measure point B, or as I did, pick them from a list. It drops a vertical plane between those 2 points. And now when you're in the measure points on plane screen, all you do is point to the sag. You don't have to wait for a distance. It just grabs the horizontal angle and the vertical angle, and where the blue line intersects the purple plane, you just hit measure, measure, and you go ahead and take as many shots as you want along that sag as it relates to that vertical plane. If you hit escape, you can then set another vertical plane through points C, and then do the same sag survey again.